The man accused in the shootings of 2 Jewish facilities will stand trial. Today, investigators revealed what they found at the crime scenes. 41 Action News reporter Amy Hawley sat in on today's hearings.
Well, in a case that made international news last year, Frazier Glenn Cross, also known as Glenn Miller, is accused of killing 3 people last April, at the Jewish Community Center in Overland Park and then at the Village Shalom Assisted Living Center. And today, for the second day in a row, Glenn Miller made an outburst in court. He directed it at some people listening into the court case today. This is right after investigators revealed chilling evidence they say they found in Miller's car last April 13th. From his wheelchair in court, Miller showed no emotion, but often turned around to the people listening to today's hearing. For the second day in a row, he addressed the people he believes are family and friends of the victims in court. Today, he told them to go to a website.
.org. You want to know what motivated me.
Investigators say they found this in his car, a cache of weapons and ammunition.
It's the revolver from the front passenger seat.
4 weapons, 2 shotguns, a revolver, and a rifle.
There were several boxes of ammunition.
And this, a flyer in the passenger seat of Miller's car that showed the event scheduled at the Jewish Community Center on April 13th.
An advertisement for KC Superstar 2014. This piece of paper was found on the front passenger seat of the vehicle that I processed.
It's why the grandfather of 14-year-old Reed Underwood dropped the teen off at the JCC last April. Miller told the Kansas City Star last year he had read the community center was sponsoring the talent show and believed that young Jews from all over would be participating. Prosecutors say Miller shot and killed Underwood and his grandfather as they pulled up for the event. Yesterday, in another outburst, Miller yelled out in court about the boy.
I very much regret the little boy.
They're trying to do this.
I took him for a 20 or 21-year-old youth. That's what I thought he was, but I regret that very much.
Now, in today's ruling, Miller will also stand trial for allegedly killing Terry Lamano, who was visiting her mother at the retirement center, Village Shalom. It turns out none of the victims was Jewish. They were all Christian. Late today, Miller made another outburst in court, yelling racist expletives, Jewish racist expletives, at some people who were observing the court case today. He also asked the judge if he could access the internet from jail. The judge said he'd make a decision March 27th at Miller's arraignment. In Johnson County, Amy Hawley, 41 Action News.